Here, what's all this? Keep back there.
Quite a good scene, isn't it? One man crazy, three very sane spectators.
I'm sure you will find this part of my puzzle more inviting.
Free! Free at last!
I didn't know that you might be hungry.
I give you a last chance to leave me alone. Stop where you are. You don't know what you're doing.
It's moving. It's alive. It's alive. It's moving. It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. Oh, in the name of God. Now I know what it feels like to be God.
Excellent, Mr. Enfield. Excellent.
Hey, Carol! You deniers of life! If you could see me now, what would you think?
All right, you fools. You've brought it on yourselves. Everything would have come right if you'd only left me alone. You've driven me near madness with your peering through the keyholes and peeping through the curtains. And now you'll suffer for it. You're crazy to know who I am, aren't you? All right, I'll show you. There's a souvenir for you. And one for you.
I hope you will find this comfortable.
Aren't you drinking?
I never drink. Why?
What's the matter, man? For heaven's sakes, what is it?
He went for a little walk. You should have seen his face.
I'll show you who I am and what I am.
he's all eaten away.
Huh? How do you like that, eh?
I hope you will like